Discover the power of plant-based foods for a better and healthier you. Are you looking to make a positive change in your life? Do you want to improve your health, contribute to a sustainable future, and enjoy delicious meals? Look no further. Introducing plant-based nutrition, a revolutionary approach to eating that offers numerous benefits for your well-being and the planet. Seedling, improve your health. Research has shown that incorporating plant-based foods into your diet can have a profound impact on your health. By increasing your consumption of vegetables, fruits, grains, and beans, you'll benefit from a higher fiber intake, which promotes better digestion and helps prevent chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and colon cancer. Additionally, plant-based nutrition can help you manage your weight more effectively, as plant-based eaters tend to consume fewer calories and avoid unhealthy processed foods. Seedling, weight loss and weight management. Are you struggling with weight issues? Plant-based eating can be a game changer for you. By focusing on whole, plant-based foods, you'll naturally consume fewer calories while enjoying a wide variety of nutritious options. Say goodbye to restrictive diets and hello to a sustainable way of managing your weight. Seedling, prevent or manage chronic diseases. Did you know that a plant-based nutrition plan can significantly reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases? According to the World Health Organization, a daily intake of 400 grams of fruits and vegetables can help prevent conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and obesity. By embracing plant-based foods, you'll be taking a proactive step towards a healthier and more vibrant life. Seedling, stop spending on supplements. Did you know that our nation's population spends billions of dollars each year on supplements? What if you didn't need to waste that money? With a plant-based nutrition, you are more likely to receive all the nutrients you need from natural sources like legumes, vegetables, and fruits. Save your money and let nature take care of your health. Seedling, save our planet. Your food choices have a significant impact on the environment. Animal agriculture requires extensive resources, such as water and grain, contributing to deforestation, water scarcity, and greenhouse gas emissions. By adopting a plant-based diet, you'll contribute to conserving water, reducing carbon emissions, and promoting sustainable farming practices. You'll be taking an active role in creating a greener and more sustainable future for generations to come. Embarking on a plant-based nutrition journey doesn't have to be complicated. Start by incorporating more vegetables, fruits, nuts, whole grains, and legumes into your meals. Get creative in the kitchen with delicious plant-based recipes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Make a grocery list and head to the store to stock up on your plant-based essentials. Remember, plant-based eating is not just a diet, it's a way of life that can be simple, enjoyable, and fulfilling. Take the first step today and experience the transformative power of plant-based foods. Choose a day to begin your plant-based nutrition journey, commit to making healthier choices, and watch as your health and well-being flourish. Join the growing community of plant-based eaters and be a part of the positive change our world needs. Remember, you have the power to shape your future and make a difference, one bite at a time. Embrace the benefits of plant-based nutrition and unlock a healthier, happier, and more sustainable you. Full article, and more other useful info, is absolutely free in the comments.